Hi everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami water bomb or a regular square bomb. Now, get your scissors. Oh, and I'm just using big paper because I want my project to turn out big. And I might have to get my printer paper. Okay. Now, so I do have origami paper actually. So you can use either. I'm going to use this one. I already said why. So let's get started. Let's see. So your first step is going to be going like this. I mean folding like this, not going like this. Then take out your scissors. And try and cut exactly forward. Forward. And forward. Okay, let's see how mine's turned. Okay, you're supposed to have something like this. Now you see I have a crease. Fold it on the crease. I'm going to put my camera back down. Then fold it in half. Actually, I have to make mine a little bit neater. Yeah, fold yours in half again. And then you see this, it has two flaps. One, two. So, what's the mouse? Fold this flap back, just like this. And same with the other side. Okay, I think mine went out a little bit neat. Came out a bit neat. Finally, fold this just good. Okay. Now it's supposed to look a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Okay. Okay, now when you have this, you see there's this middle thingy. You pull this out. Yeah. And fold these back in. And you're supposed to have something like this. I think I should show that one more time. Take this flap out, just like that. Okay, let's continue. You see this side has too many flaps, so take one flap, pull it over. Pull these two flaps up, turn over, fold these two flaps back up. Okay, now you're supposed to have something like this. You are not supposed to have something exactly like that. Do this, turn over, and repeat. You know, many people actually post out the videos of how to make this kind, not exactly this kind of water bomb. Okay, you see, I actually folded these two flaps down. So I did this on both sides and then pulled them down. Turn over, pull down, okay, so I folded these flaps down on both sides, okay? Then fold them like this and like this. Open. And you see this pocket? You open that. And put this thing inside of the pocket. Okay, just like this. Okay, here you see, right? Okay. Okay. You see it now. I've done it to this side, and then let's do it to this side. Okay, fold that in. Yeah, I think I was saying that once I've seen a lot of videos making this kind of, not exactly this kind, well, square bombs. And then, yeah, I see, oh, here comes the fun part. I folded two sides. And most of them were kind of hard. I would say even I couldn't do them, some of them, but some I could. Now here's the fun part. I have to blow into this side. Don't confuse them. You can't blow into this side. Blow into this side. Okay. One of my things fell out of here. Not a problem. Just put them back. Okay, I think this is going to be the last step. I think you have to be the most focused on this one. Oh, come on, really. No, actually, the last step you have to be more focused on. Well, now, you see this? Push this down. I know you might think that seems really weird. And then take these corners and make them sharp. So that's going to make it more squarish. Unless you don't want it to be squarish. Oh. I might have to... Yeah, fine. Yours is probably gonna turn out better. Okay. Now, you know you have to... I said as I said. Okay, yeah. And here you have your bomb. On the corners. Like this. So this in. Just one of these fell out. Don't worry about it. Yours not probably gonna fall out. Now, I've got my square round, and one fun thing to do with this, so you know, like the railings that the stairs have, you can make it go down it, or just make it slide. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and see you.